It's Sunday, September 18th, and it's been a while since I made a video because I'm having issues with the memory on my phone, which the internal memory is not that big, but I've had this card for quite a while, like a mini SD chip in there. That's got full, and I don't have a way to. I gotta overwrite there. It's write protected, it says, and I don't have the adapter to put it in my computer and do anything about it. So I'm probably a day away from getting a new phone anyway. So I'm just gonna make this a short video because even though it's been a long time, not much has changed because I've been doing a lot of tedious, slow stuff. But after today, it's gonna look different. So this is the drain field. This is what I had to do mostly with a chainsaw, and I pulled a few big trees with the machine, but this is mostly cleared with the chainsaw. It's up here off to the side of this even now larger brush pile. For reference, this is the garage area over here, and I don't know if it's evident, but I've really built up the far side of this bank. I mean, the far 3/4. I mean, I pushed gravel for 4.5 days from the top of the hill over here, which there's another big change right there. Where the shed used to be, I moved that the other day. I moved it to over in the far back corner over here by the garage. And it's so bright out here, I don't know if any of this is showing up. But new location for the shed. Really built this up to try and get it level. And you can still see the front edge needs a lot of gravel, which I plan to push the gravel that I just deforested yesterday. Most of this I want to push over here. Continue leveling this garage area and bring it out so we can park in front of the garage at a same level almost, and then maybe move this driveway over a little bit. But the part that's going to change is I've taken the topsoil off of this hill and scraped a little of the gravel, but I want to get that big brush pile down there up and over this hill and break it into 2 piles in this area. And once I do that, this big openness is not going to be the same. I started with some of the stuff I cleared yesterday. I started a pile over there, and I'm going to add to that pile from the other side. I'm going to be clearing the small stuff in the lower part of the pit, add it to that. Maybe put a stack right here, and then maybe another one on top of the hill. And I've got some of the topsoil right there between the 2 stacks. It was a real bitch. I mean, the topsoil had a big, you can see the ground cover, those bushes. It was really thick all over here where there was no trees. I remember between the trees. So I ended up having to pick that off like just like you're trying to peel an orange or something with the backhoe, and add it, shake it out and add it to the top of that and hope to burn it. And then, of course, I got a little cleaner topsoil, but it's still full of roots. And this, there's still some topsoil left, but it's mostly gravel. I gotta just start clearing it, and I gotta knock this hill down in order to make it easier to pull that brush pile over it, because I know it doesn't seem like much of a hill, but when you have this machine going up a slight it slows it down, and it's a big job as it is. So I'm gonna work on flattening that out, pushing some of it, making it available to push up there, and then I'll be pulling. It'll look like a big, huge pile of crap, because I'll have pile, dirt, pile,